Before maps had borders, before dust knew roads, I was locked in apparent body pressure in the codes. No crown, no witness, no legend on display, just ancient matter learning how to outlive decay. Born where the Chondrites lost edges in the heat, thermal metamorphism made equilibrium complete. Petrologic type 6, recrystallized grain, a furnace without firelight, chemistry without name. L group signature, ordinary by class, yet ordinary means nothing when 4 billion years pass. Olivine held firelight 24.5, ferromagnesian scripture keeping deep time alive. Low cap pyroxene F's 20.6, well 1.5 in the mineral mix. High chi phase carried another coded frame. Crystal ratios talking while the cosmos stayed unnamed. Metal Meteorite in a microscopic braid, finely intergrown textures from conditions long decayed. Nickel iron beside sulfide, woven tight inside a geological cipher with no reason left to hide. Then collision roll percussion through the lattice like drums. Shock stage S3, see what pressure becomes. Not total annihilation, still the fabric took scars. A compact archive catching violence between stars. Fracture, compression, momentum in a flash. Orbit broke cadence when the parent structure crashed. I left that ancient workshop with no passport, no plea, just a trajectory opening where gravity could see. Vacuum kept the silence, cold miles kept score, till atmosphere rose like a furnace at the door. Velocity met molecules, compression turned bright. Ablation stripped the surface through a hypersonic night. Outside vitrified dark, fusion crust sealed. Heat painted the boundary while the interior stayed concealed. No witness fall entered any official line, but sky kept that chapter. Earth inherited the sign. Sonoran ground caught weight beneath the merciless sun. One solitary specimen, not fragments on the run. 6143 grams resting close to ore, while abandoned mining country slept beside the floor. January 30th, 2014, on the page a prospector searched for gold, found a different kind of age. Funny how the richest thing wasn't yellow in the sand. Treasure isn't always metal, somebody planned. I can carry in pressure that no scale could explain. A black rimmed memorandum written deeper than a vein. Not currency, not jewelry, not a glittering reward. I was planetary memory waiting to be restored. Then the cut face open, laboratory lights awake. Thin section windows show what naked eyes could mistake. Numbers turn mineral textures, turn testimony. Petrography translated an extraterrestrial chronology. Thought in the olivine, F's inside the chain. While marking calcium where pyroxenes remain. Feldspar log door and an calibrated speech. Every polished micron put another epoch within reach. Feel for and give ratios, analytical bars. Not methodology, measurements, reconstructing scars. 164 grams enter curated record space. Swallow wafer under optics carried evidence in place. Weathering grade W1 earth barely touched the skin. Minor alteration after everything before had been. Desert residents whisper didn't overwrite the text. Terrestrial chemistry arrived comparatively next. L6, that label is a headline, not the whole affair. Equilibrated silicates keep older processes. Their classification box can organize the stone, but microstructure tells you what the specimen has known. Read the intergrowth, read the grain, read the crust, read the strain. Every phase is evidence, every boundary leaves a trace. Deep time forensic work, a matter falling out of space. No autograph required, no hero carved above. Only thermodynamics, impact, atmosphere, and dust. I began beyond the desert where no human trail could run. Change beneath internal heat long before this presence on the ground. Survived collision, physics crossed an atmospheric gate. Reached Sonora carrying an unrequested day. They hunted for a fortune measured ounce by ounce. I answer with a history no market could announce. Gold comes from a ledger I can speak in through a slide. Mineralogy on the mic with cosmic time inside. So call me La Cienega at the letter in the frame. Official classification finally anchored to the name. L group type 6, weak shock weathered only slight. A fusion coded witness from a journey out of sight. No prophecy, no fantasies, no fabricated glow. Just space chemistry revealing what the specimen can show. universe dropped evidence. Earth picked up on stone.